Hello guys, today I'm going to guide you on how to troubleshoot your Vodafone Broadband router. So this device flashed on the screen is a Vodafone Vox 2.5 broadband router, but some troubleshoot guides will be the same as yours. What you need to do is to swipe your hand over the top of the device to reveal the lights. So there will be one, two, three lights in total. The first one here is the internet LED indicator. The second one is the Wi-Fi. The third one is the power. Let's go chronologically. First, for the internet, if it's a solid red light, then it is not connected to the internet. Check that all wires are connected and then restart your router by pressing the power button. So that's the fix for that. But then, if it's flashing or pulsing red, there's a potential problem and the router is trying to connect. So basically, all you have to do is to check that all wires are connected and that it's turned on at the wall. Then reset the router using the power button. If that doesn't fix your issue for the internet LED indicator, then you must contact Vodafone customer support. For the second one, the Wi-Fi LED indicator, there will be no red lights here, so we have to skip on the third one. So if the power is red, then the power is on. If it is pulsing red, then system update is in progress. If it's flashing red, then there's a problem. Then of course you have to check all the wires that are connected and that it's turned on at the wall. Then reset the router using the power button. Of course, if that doesn't work for you, then contact Vodafone support. So basically that's it.